all afloat on Noah's boat. Bang, bang, tap, tap, chip, chip, chip. Noah built a house in the shape of a ship. He built it wide and he built it tall. He built it for creatures great and small. When the rain came down, Noah changed his bell, crying, "All aboard the Ark Hotel. The ground's getting wet, it'll soon be mud. Come and keep safe from the rising flood." So along came the creatures, all in pairs, flying through the windows, stepping up the stairs, filling up the ark with a racket and a row. There were snakes in the stern and bears in the bow. The rain rattled down on the great big boat till the water rose and made it float. All they could see was flood and sky, but aboard Noah's Ark they were safe and dry. Well, the days went by and the weeks went past, and it seemed that the flood would last and last. All those creatures packed so tight got bored and snappy till they felt like a fight. The camels got the hump and the snakes got the wiggles. The hyped up hyenas both got the giggles. The lions and the leopards turned mean and scatty, and boy, those rodents sure were ratty. There were animal tantrums and insect myths, and the birds started trilling out twittering tiffs. So Noah stood up saying, "Hush and hark, any more fuss and you're off my ark." The rain stopped falling, but the flood's not done. So while we're here, let's have some fun. We'll all get ready for a talent show. You can all do something. Isn't that so? Clever old Noah. That did the trick. There were no more quarrels or fights to pick. When at last it was time to begin the show, old Noah said, "Well, are you ready? Go." So the animals came on 2 by 2 to show the things that they could do. The frogs sprang on doing hyper hops. They flipped all over the tabletops. The toucans played a rhythmic peck with tapping beaks upon the deck. The elephant dipped their trunks in the sea and blew high fountains, ready. Whee! But nobody heard the caterpillars croon. We're wrapping ourselves in a tight cocoon. The snakes both tied themselves in knots. The leopard wiggled all their spots. Oh, what a rumpus! Oh, what a row! That talent show got busy now. But the poor little caterpillars lay quite still, all wrapped up on the windowsill. The crocodiles balanced on the tips of their tails. The monkeys screeched out, "Mega whales." The talent show was such a ball, there's not the space to tell it all. And the caterpillars thought, "They're all so good, we'll both join in if we only could." But when the show was nearly through, Noah whispered, "One more act to do." Each caterpillar's tight cocoon looked like it might crack open soon. Then out they burst. Surprise, surprise! They both turned into butterflies. They spread their brilliant wings out wide, and every single creature sighed. "They're beautiful," said Noah. "Oh my, they've opened up their wings to fly. But look out there, the water's gone. That means there's land to live upon. The butterflies can end our show. Let's wave goodbye and watch them go." Then the creatures came out 2 by 2 on a world that waited bright and new. The end. Good, eh?